I am at one of the areas in which you can do your Second Life assignment number one. There will be multiple places where you'll be able to locate this counting equation throughout our area so as to eliminate to the extent possible the amount of crowding as people are doing the homework. Um, I have separate videos that go into the details onto how to interact with the accounting equation and how to create note cards and how to submit them, etc. So I'm just going to kind of go through all those steps without the stopping at each stage of the way. You can look at the wiki and the various text and videos there for the details on some of the steps I'm going to go through. But the first assignment basically is to learn what the accounting equation is, and you'll do that by interacting with the accounting equation and trying to learn what the different parts of it are and how those different parts change and how those changes affect the accounting equation. It really should you really should spend no more than 5 minutes interacting with the equation. That should really be enough time to get a good idea for how it works, what it is, and how the different parts are affected. So just so you could see, I'm going to go ahead and do that a little bit. Make sure you read the text that the model is talking to you, chatting back to you as you work with it. That's a important part of understanding the equation. Once you're done, click or touch the model so it's reset for the next person. And then you're ready to create your note card and submit your assignment. So again, I'm not going to go through all the steps I'm going to do the steps, but the details of this can be found on the wiki and the videos there. So I'm going to go ahead and name this SL1. And then I'm just going to start typing. Uh, this assignment is just text-based. You're not entering transactions. So you just type away, just like I'm doing now. And the thing that you need to understand is that when you're done with each sentence, you need to hit enter or return. And that's really just a function of the way Second Life is going to send this data, your text, off of this note card to my database for grading later. That's the only reason you have to do it. It'll look something like this. After each sentence, again, you hit return. Once you're all done, you hit save. Once your note card is saved, you walk over. Generally, the homework boxes will be right next to where the accounting equation is. You're going to drag your note card onto the homework box. You'll look for your name in the floating text above it. You'll look that it changes color. You look down here in the text feedback that says exactly what was on your note card. If you forgot to hit enter or return, you won't see everything you typed in. So go ahead and resubmit it. This looks good to me, so I'm going to click the text box. I'm going to hit submit, and you're going to see that I'm getting confirmation that it's being sent to the database, and this file